passport remittance. Gamit ang inyong passport, pwede na kayong magpadala ng pera, Korea to Pinas na yan, under sa licensed remittance company, which is Cross Remittance, yung #1 remittance company in South Korea. So what you need to do, first step is to download the app Cross Global Remittance sa inyong App Store at mag-register lang gamit ang inyong passport. Very easy, and as soon as you are verified, which is agad naman yan, pag ma-verify na, may libre ang inyong padala twice, plus may pag-gift pa yan si Cross. So, sa 3 times mo na padala, meron kang mystery gift as a welcome gift from Cross na Cross fan ka na. So, what are you waiting for? Download the Cross Global Remittance now and be a Cross fan. Sulit, kidlat sa bilis, at may puso, Cross lang.